Hello and welcome to the system.io tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add age verification in your system.io sales page or landing pages. So what that means is if you want to restrict this for a particular age group, just like that people over 18 can only access to their website or show them a notification. I will show you how to add that. So adding that will be very easy. So I already opened the system.io funnels. And the other things you need to do, you need to click on the first link in the description and then just go to that page, which is a elf site plugin, or elf site is a widget of many widget. Okay, 18 plus widget, which makes easier for us to do many things without any coding, to add many features without any coding. So just create a free account here, click on sign up for free. Just create a free account with your email and verified it, then we are good to go. So there is nothing complicated. And then just make the things, and then you will find a, so after making the sign up, you will find a similar looking dashboard here, just like this. So this will be the look after you create the account. So let us go back to our funnel. So to make this age verification pop up, what we need to do, we need to come to this application panel and then search for with age. Okay, then click enter and you will find the option called age verification. Just move your mouse and click on create widget. Okay, so this will open a pop-up just like this. Then we can select some design. So there is many templates, like 10 I think. So I'll just choose the simple one. This looks quite good. And then give this a template a name, system age verification. So we can remember where we add that, because this process can be followed for any website, not just system.io. You can add any types of website. This works fine. But in this video, I'll only cover this one. So click on continue with this template. Then you can do some setting like minimum age 18. Then you can have some verification method with yes or no button, or date of birth or year of birth. So you can put year of date. I just will love to have only yes or no button. Then there is something here where to display. Do you want to display in all pages or some specific pages? This can be done. And for content, you can change the text, welcome to our website, please verify your age to enter. So you can change those text as well, when however you like. You can also connect your privacy and terms of policy pages. Just select them and then click on this link option and put your privacy and terms of page. This is also a possibility. You can do that. You can also change the appearance of it, where the text will be aligned, where the color will be do. So I will not cover these things. This is your own choice. I am happy with what the look it is giving me right now. So I will click on save to make it save. And then what I will do, I will just copy all the code. Just click on and it will automatically copy. Click with mouse and it will be automatically copied. Then go to your funnel. So there is two things you can do. Either you can go to the setting and add it here, or go to the each funnel and edit with HTML. So both is a possibility. So we can go to setting to add it to all over our funnel. Then go to the sales funnel setting, and you can see there is some tracking code option. Just paste the code here and click on save. Now if I go to one of my funnel and if I just click preview to one of them, okay, then you can see there is the pop-up about age verification. Now people have to click yes I am over 18 to enter it, and if they click yes I am under 18, it will not let them allow to view this content. Okay, now you can see people can browse through the website and this will be shown to the all pages. So this is how to add age verification to your system.io landing page or funnel, and this is the process to follow. I hope this helps. If that helps, do let me know in the comment and smash the like button as well. Thank you very much for watching the video.